What's going on, everybody? Oh yeah, temperatures are cooling down. It's still hot and steamy and sticky and nasty and humid, but it's not miserable and unbearable, and that means we're getting into fall. Oh yeah, and with that, it's time for some foliar fall fertilization. And with that, I'm using FFF from Subvert. So I'm just treating my front yard right now. So I have this here. I'm gonna do the blue muta as well, and side piece. I'm kind of growing fond of side piece, to be honest with you. Woo. And what I'm doing is I'm running FFF at a rate of 6 ounces per thousand. That equates to the 256 ounces per acre rate that's on the bottle. One cool thing, and I just noticed this today, is that right there. I inadvertently made boot holders to drain them out and dry everything once you rinse them out. But if you've ever used these bad boys, man, they can develop a funk really quick. I don't have to build a separate little boot dryer. I have them built into the sprayer. What sprayer manufacturer does that? None that I know of, except me. Everything is now applied, looking good. We should really see the response rather quickly since it's a foliar application. I applied this using 4 gallons of carrier water. Now, That was only over around 1,350 square feet or so. That's a lot of carrier water, but I do that to allow more uniform coverage over the leaf tissue, and I was using my XRC T-Jet nozzles. They're the brown ones. That allows me to go with a little bit higher volume of water based on my pump sizes and all that fun stuff. You can learn more about that by clicking up here on how I designed and built my boom sprayer, because that walks you through everything you need to know. It's a lot of math, and I know a lot of people don't like that, but unfortunately, when you're dealing with turf management, math is your best friend. So yeah, that's it. And for my metric friends, let's not forget that 4 gallons of carrier water is about 15 liters. So that's it for this one. I really hope I'm able to actually keep up with the weekly schedules on this. I think I will be able to, since I'm doing this on a Friday, and that's usually my go-to day for things like this because the work week's over with, and this gives me a really good amount of time in the lawn. I wonder though if my son will be able to maintain the mowing frequency. I will probably reintroduce growth regulator into the front lawn. I have not used any since April. The heat kind of slowed everything down, in the minimal inputs of going solely Subvert products all summer long kind of paid off. But it's about to kick things up, and I'm gonna attempt to continue this weekly treatment probably well into late October. So thank y'all again for watching this one. I truly appreciate it with you. It's starting to look really good. I need to get the reel mower back on it. I don't want to do the McLean though, and it needs a back lap, and it needs a lot of work, and frankly, it's a pain in the butt. So my son might get a reprieve because I'll probably be going full-on greens mower, and then I'll have to have the greens mower in the garage while the back gets overseated. I don't want to trample on any of those little babies, do I? No, I do not. So with that, I'm out of here. I hope you all have a good one, and we will see you again soon.